Welcome to Part 5 of Colors Vocabulary. 41. Paint. Meaning, to cover a surface with color using paint. Example: we will paint the wall blue. Synonyms: color, coat. Antonyms: erase. 42. Draw. Meaning, to make a picture using a pencil or pen. Example: she likes to draw flowers. Synonyms: sketch, illustrate. Antonyms: erase. 43. Brush. Meaning, a tool used for painting. Example: the artist is using a small brush. Synonyms: paintbrush. 44. Rainbow. Meaning, an arch of many colors seen in the sky after rain. Example: we saw a rainbow after the storm. 45. Shade. Meaning, a particular lightness or darkness of a color. Example: I like this shade of green. Synonyms: tone, tint. 46. Match. Meaning, to go well together in color or style. Example: these colors match perfectly. Synonyms: go together, suit. Antonyms: clash. 47. Mix. Meaning, to combine two or more colors. Example: mix blue and yellow to make green. Synonyms: blend, combine. Antonyms: separate. 48. Coloring. Meaning, the activity of filling pictures with colors. Example: the children enjoy coloring pictures. 49. Favorite. Meaning, liked more than all the others. Example: blue is my favorite color. Synonyms: preferred, best loved. Antonyms: least favorite. 50. Artist. Meaning, a person who creates paintings or drawings. Example: the artist painted a beautiful picture. Synonyms: painter, illustrator. Congratulations! You have completed the Colors Vocabulary course. Keep practicing every day to improve your English. Subscribe to AVETRA EDU for more English lessons. See you in the next course.